We are born alone, we die alone, and in between, we spend our lives looking for something, a connection. That's all we want, a connection. Yo! What a view, man. Look at that view. And when we speak of connection, I mean, it's like, walking with a friend in the dark is always better than walking alone in the light, right?